Great farmers, come closer. I bring you good news from Ajara, the #1 online farm tool store. It is time to upgrade from the manual way of seed planting and take the advantage of this original and rechargeable soil drilling machine. It comes with 2 bits to make soil drilling more easier. This one is 6.6 by 42 cm, while this one is 8 cm by 30 cm. As you can see here, by just attaching it to this drilling machine that comes with 2 batteries, the soil drilling become more easier. Let's see how this machine is being operated. Now, save time, save energy, and plant smarter with our original rechargeable soil drilling machine. Click the link to order and enjoy our promo sales today.